Okay guys, I have a new resource that I want you guys to see. So there will be a link in Teams for you guys. So if you click on that, it'll take you to this word search page. And I gave you guys a few answers just so you can try it out. So in order to find the word, you guys will have to click on each individual letter like that. I was hoping I could zoom out, but I don't think I can. So you'll have to find all these words right here and click on each individual letter just to check it out. And so I'm obviously not going to do all of it for you, but just so you guys can see it. And then once you go to finish, I want you to email the answers to me. So I want you guys to put your name in there. So we'll pretend like this is my name. And then you can put your grade level. So let's say I'm in 6th grade. This is for world history. And then this is my email that I'm looking at this at. So it's jeffersonti@pcsb.org. And that's going to be the email you have to put in. So that's my personal email, so I know that you turned it in. And then if you send it to me, I'll get all your answers. Okay. Should be super easy, but just want to make sure you guys know how to do it since it's a new resource. So good luck and thanks guys.